All right, we're in Riverton today filming a David Weekley 55 plus community model home. So if you're looking for a 55 plus community and some nice brand new homes, that's what this video is for. So I'm Mitchell Reese, your Salt Lake Realtor. Let's get started with this tour. All right, guys, welcome back. My number's up in the corner if you're interested in knowing more about this home, more about this community, a 55 plus area, perfect for retired couples who occasionally want to have some guests over with a guest room. But more about this home. This is built by David Weekley in the 55 plus community known as the Homestead. And this model is known as the Finland. So it's got 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and 1,911 square feet up to 3,852 square feet, depending on if you get a basement and have it finished. And then this is what's known as a 0 step. You just walk right in, no steps up to it or elevation, no steps you have to deal with. And it's the model home, so you're going to have some beautiful decor and paneling and beautiful things to look at as we go through to really see the potential of these homes. And for more content, make sure to like and subscribe as it prompted in the corner earlier. But yeah, this community is really nice for 55 plus retired couples, you know, a great place to settle down. And this home, even though the starting square footage under 2,000, it really does not feel crammed or squished. The kitchen especially is beautiful and spacious, and plenty of counter space, plenty of space for entertaining guests, hosting maybe the kids if they come to visit. And yeah, the community will come with many things like they'll do the landscaping for you in the front and backyard. And with those HOA fees, another feature would be for them to continue to do the landscaping and keep up on your snow shoveling when the winter comes around. So make sure to give me a call if you're interested in knowing more about the community itself and a home like this. This home itself is going for $678,990. But if you'd like to know more and know more about the upgrades or this model home specifically to purchase, just feel free to reach out. That's what I'm here for. That's what my number's for. I'm here for you guys in the Salt Lake area, in the Utah Valley area. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to let this tour play out, and I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. All right, so that was the Finland in this 55 plus community built by David Weekley Homes here in Riverton, Utah. So if you're looking for some 55 plus communities and homes in the Riverton area, Salt Lake County area, maybe this one's just for you. There'll be more on my channel. And if you're looking for more info on this community or want to look at the plat map or the different floor plans, make sure to let me know in the comments below, and I'll give you a link to what you're looking for, and so that you can know more about the community itself. And you can also give me a call here or text, and we'll talk about all the details of what you're looking for to get you into your dream home. So once again, I'm a realtor in the Salt Lake area, and so I'm gonna work to get you the best deal possible into your dream home. And make sure to like and subscribe if you're wanting to see more content and more of the options of 55 plus communities and new construction in Salt Lake County, Utah Valley, all areas like that. So thank you so much for coming back to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next video.